Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing the Bobcat miner. You can see here I've received it and I'm simply opening the package. It's just come in a simple box. I ordered two, so they've been stacked on top of one another. I was a bit excited, so sort of threw that away. As you can see, here they are. Waited for them for quite some time and now finally received them. So the packaging looks quite nice actually, and it comes with a quick troubleshoot guide which shows you what you should and shouldn't do. It recommends you should first of all put the miner inside because it's an indoor unit. Opt in to use an Ethernet cable so your internet's stable. Gently screw the stock antenna in, make sure it's not over tight, as that can damage it. Connect antenna first before you power up the hotspot. So that's what you should do. Now what you shouldn't do is put the miner outside. You should not install an upgraded antenna directly to the connector. Try not to reboot the miner excessively. Turn the miner around the antenna cable, or try and open up the unit, as that could damage it. So just be sensible. After the fun part, it just tells you to download the application. Once you do that, plug in the miner and go for the steps. So step 1, what you need to do is download the Helium Hotspot application. You can do this via the App Store, or you can also use Google Play. After you've done that, follow step 2 and the on-screen instructions on your application. Here, this is the miner. It comes with a warranty card as well. So here it is. That's the antenna. It's come with a EU socket, so I haven't got the 3-pin, but it doesn't matter, we can use an adapter for it to work. Here we've received another thing for the antenna. So this is the unboxing. All in all, it looks very nice, quite professional and easy to set up.